So in this video, I'm going to discuss the maximize the profit as the salesman problem, which often today's lead code challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. The problem statement is very simple. It is given that you're given an array of a certain length, and it states that if you make a person buy a house from 0 to 0th index, so you get one gold coin. If you make someone buy from 0 to 2 index, you get two gold coins, and from 1 to 3 you get two gold coins. Okay, so you have to find the maximum profit that you can make. So remember one thing, that if you are going to give a person a house from 0 to 0, you can't give that person a house from 0 to 2. Okay, because obviously you have to give the house from 0 to 2, because 0 is already occupied by, let's say, 1. So let's say A is a person. A is buying 0th house. So if I am going to give B the houses from 0 to 2, it's not possible, because A has already bought 0. So it basically means that you're given a range, okay, and you have to find the discontinuous ranges, so that the profit is maximum. That is, this thing, the addition of this thing is maximum. Okay, so this is very much simple. So what we are going to use in this, it is DP. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to sort the offer array according to index 1. Okay, so that is according to this index 0, 2, 3. So for this case it is already sorted, and for this case also it is sorted, 0, 2, 3. So initially you have to do it, because it is not given in the question that it is always sorted according to that thing. So initially you do this. Then what you do, you have to make a DP array. Okay, a DP of, I think it will be better if I go with the example, that is this one. Okay, so let me write it down. It is 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, and 1, 3, 2. Okay, so DP, the size of DP is basically what is n is 5, right? So let's say the size of DP is 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from 0 to 0 there is 1. Okay, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 0 to 0 there is 1, right? But remember one thing, just for the help, just for making a problem statement a little bit easier, we are going to add 1 to both these things. Okay, for all of them. Okay, so let's rewrite it as 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, and 2, 4, 2. Okay, just for just to make this thing simpler. Okay, so now what we can do, we can check that 0, 0. So 1, 1. Okay, so 0 is initially, so everything initially in the DP is 0. You know that, right? So for 1, 1 there is 1, right? So for 1, 1 we write the maximum of 1. So we make this maximum of whatever it was there, that is 0, comma, whatever is over here. Okay, the first element, that is, let me write it, DPI is equal to maximum of DPI, because if DPI is maximum already, so you don't need to rewrite it. That is basically what we do in DP, right? So DPI and DP offer whatever it is, like let's say J of 0 minus 1. So, okay, you get it. So basically 1 minus 1 is 0. So whatever is in this position, so we have to check this, and we have to add this to it, sorry, plus 1, plus offer J of 2. Okay, that is the gold thing, how many golds I am going to get. So that is plus 1. Okay, so this is basically going to be maximum of 0, 0 plus 1, right? 0 plus 1, that is, we rewrite it as 1. Now when we are going to the next position, so we have to rewrite all the elements from 1 to 3, or 1 to 2 also. So 1 to 3 as 1, or as whatever this element is, as DP of I. Okay, so that is, we are going to rewrite this as 1, rewrite this as 1. Okay, done. Now what we have to go and do, we are going to check the same thing for this position also, that is for 3. Check for 1, so 1 was initially this, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 2. So what is going to be this position? It's going to maximum of 1 comma whatever is at 1 minus 1, that is 0th position, that is 0 plus 2, right? So which is maximum, 1 or 2? 2 is maximum, so we write it as 2. And again, you know, so from 3 to 4 every element is going to be 2, right? So from 3 to 4 every element is going to be 2. Now for this fourth thing, we check for 2, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, right? So at one position, what is dp of the value of bp is 1, right? So what is this going to be? This is going to be maximum of whatever it was, maximum of 2 minus 1, right? That is this thing. So first of all, 2 is at this position, so 2 comma this thing, that is 1 plus what value I'm going to get? 2, right? So 1 plus 2, so 2 comma 1 plus 2, so that is 3. So 3 is better, so we are going to rewrite this as 3. Okay, now check throughout the whole array, whichever is the highest element, the answer is going to be that thing. So that is 3 for this case. So you see that 3 is the answer. So I think it will be better if I go with this one also, 0 0 1. Okay, so initially dp is going to look like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, everything in this is 0 initially. For this, the first case, so we are going to first rewrite it as 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3 comma 10, and 2 comma 4 comma 2, because I told you that we are going to plus 1 these two positions, okay, for everything. So 1 comma 1 comma 1, so that is basically, this is going to be rewritten as so let me write it: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So one second, we didn't need this, we didn't actually need, so we needed it till 6, right? 6 or 5 was, we needed till 5, okay, sorry, we needed this till 5, okay, 5. So this is going to be rewritten as, sorry, let me focus it. This is going to be rewritten as this thing, that is this. So this is going to be maximum of first this thing, that is 0 comma this plus whatever it is, that is 1, right? So this is going to be 1, right? This is going to be 1. Then all the elements from 1 to 3 becomes 1, okay? This becomes 1. Now check for this 3 thing. So whatever is over here, so what is going to be this? This is going to be maximum of, already it is a 1, or whatever is at 0th position, that is because 1 minus 1 is 0. So that is 0 plus whatever is the profit, that is 10, right? 0 plus 10. So which is maximum, 0 plus 10 or 1? 0 plus 10 is maximum, that is 10. So we rewrite this as 10, okay? And all the elements from 3 to 4 is also written as 10. Now for fourth position, we check for this 2 minus 1, that is 1. So that is 1. So fourth position gets rewritten as maximum of 10 comma whatever is at one position, that is 1 plus 2, right? Plus 2, that is, which is greater, 10 or 3? 10 is still greater, so we won't rewrite this. So once we are done with this, so we traverse over the whole array, find the maximum element. The maximum is 10, right? So the answer is 10. So I hope this is very much clear. So this is the basic condition, that is dp of I is equal to maximum of dp of I comma dp of offer of j comma j of 0 minus 1 plus offer of j of 2. So what is j? J is basically, you are going to run a loop from 1 to size of offer, okay? And what is I? I is basically nothing, okay? I is basically a loop inside of j. Actually I made a very wrong concept, like usually what we prefer is I is the outer loop and j is the inner loop, but in this case it is the reversed, okay? So I is the inner loop, okay? I is the inner loop which runs from offer j of 1 to, sorry, so let me write it down over here. I is the inner loop which runs from offer j of 1 to offer j plus 1 comma 1, okay? So I hope this much is clear for everyone. So that's it, that's my approach for this. So that's it from my side. Thank you.